friends, welcome to RK tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about cookies, how we can create cookies. And in the last video I have shown you how we can log in, register, and how we can prevent someone to access profile page of any computer like this. If someone wants to access profile page of this computer, so he can't access just because of he is not logged in. So we need to log in, password, enter, login success. Now I am in profile page and I can't go back. And one thing about there is a similarity between session and cookies. Let me show you how. This is our action page and here is our login code. You can see user login process. So here we will create cookies. Session variables. Now we are going to create cookies. How to create? Set cookie is a function, predefined function PHP, and it has 4-5 arguments. So first one is the name of cookie, ID. Second argument will be the value. So what will be the value? $, and row ID. This is the value. And third argument will be time, for how much time you want to create cookies. So one way to create give time is time plus and 86,400. This means 1 day, and you're going to multiply with 30, means you're going to create cookies for 30 days. Give a comma. And one of the simplest way to give time, like str, PHP has predefined function string to time, this function, and you need to give a string value, then it will automatically convert that string value into time, like this, plus 1 day. This means I have created my cookies for 1 day. Second argument will be path, and keep it always slash, and blank, and the last one is true. Now our cookie is created. Copy this, and name, username, cookie created for 1 day. If you want, you can create for 30 days or for 1 year, 365 days, but now I'm going to create 1 day. Username and user email, and take the password. So now our cookie is ready, and create session to more session variable. Name, ID is already given. Take here email and user underscore email, password. So these are the session variable and cookies variable. Come to your profile page and break, echo cookies, break, echo $_ cookie. This is the way of writing cookie. And name, what is the name? Here you can get name, ID, name. Okay, I forgot to write here. and here email, and here password. Save it. So cookie right here, ID, tag, name, email, and password. Okay, save this, refresh. Undefined index ID, name, email, p. Okay, okay, we need to log in again. First of all, we need to log out, log in. So you can see here, these two are our session variable, Rizwan Khan and ID. This is our session variable, and after cookies, here is our cookie variable, to Rizwan Khan, email address, and the password, hash password. So what's the difference between cookies and session? Whenever you create session, that variable is stored in your server, and whenever you create cookies, that variable is stored in your local computer. You can access your cookies from your local computer like this. When you click on this so here you can see cookies 7 in use. Okay, just go to here, and here is the name of your server, localhost. So it is a localhost, and here's a folder cookies, and inside this you will have all your cookies. You have created cookies email, you have created ID, you have created name, you have created password. And when you click on any one of them, like a name, so you can see here the value. This is the name cookie, and the content stored in the cookie is Rizwan Khan, and this is a local host domain name, means your site name, and path slash for means this cookie is available for all pages in your website. Send for any kind of connection, and you can see the date. It is created in 5th March and going to expire on 6th March, because I created this cookie for 1 day. That's why it is going to expire March 6th. And when you click on P, means password, so you can see the name P and the content is a hash content and not your exact password. So don't worry about it. Yeah, anyone can see your password. No, not like that. No one can see your password. And if you don't want, you cannot store your password. Okay, this is about cookies and how we can make a key. One key that will help you to log in. No need to log in again and again. How? Let's see. Here is a profile page, and we stored cookies here. And if we destroy the cookie, like if someone destroy the cookie, okay, localhost cookies, and these are the cookies. Click here, P, remove, ID, remove, name, remove, email, remove. Okay, close, refresh. So you'll get undefined index ID because you have destroyed your cookies. Whatever time period you have given for your cookies, it doesn't matter if you destroy your cookie. So how we can prevent this? Let's see here. Here is the action, and we need to create a new page. That page will be called login status. That will show you your login status. Okay, save and name it login underscore status.php. Save, create a class. Okay, remove. Now your class is ready. add your database class, load db.php. Now your database class is added, database, and name of class login status, and create one global variable that will be act as a key. Okay, dollar login key, keep it false. This variable will tell you about your login status. You need ID, email, password. Okay, check user credentials. $SQL equals to select ID from user_info where ID equals to $ID and user email equals to $email and password equals to $password. Limit 1. Let me zoom it, then it is visible clearly. Save this. Now query MySqli underscore query this arrow connection $SQL. Okay, your query is written. Now $count equals to MySqli underscore num underscore rows $query if $count equal to 1 means credential is true. So what we will do, we will update the time of login. So first get the date, login date equals to date here in our MySqli format. So this is the time and date. Yeah, it is in correct format. Now query is executed. Number of rows, I have 1. So now again update underscore login underscore date, update login date, update user underscore info, set login underscore date. Okay, why I'm doing so much wrong. and dollar login underscore date. So update user info set login underscore date equals to login date, where user, or where you can write these things. You can, if you want, you can remove this condition. Okay, ID and email is enough. So where ID equals to $ID and user email equals to $email. So login date is updated. Now we will return true, and otherwise we will return false. So this is a login status. This function will tell you about the user, this login key will tell you about the user's login status. If this login key is true, means user is logged in, and instead of writing this entire session underscore start and header, you can just use this you can use this login key and check. If it is true, then you can allow him in that page. Session underscore start, session start. So if first we will check is set dollar underscore session, what is the name, name, ID, email, password. Name, first ID, if you set dollar session ID, and copy this thing, name, ID, email, password. Email and password. So let me zoom out. So if it's set password, if it is set email, name and ID, what we will do, we will log in him. So dollar ID equals to dollar underscore session. Not like this, we need to take care about security if someone changed something. So prig underscore replace and hash, we are going to allow only 0 to 9, right? Replacement with nothing, subject dollar underscore session ID, dollar email, not prig, MySqli underscore real escape, so string dollar this, not this, we need the object. Okay, instead of keeping this, keep it simple. We will just store it. We can't use here database variable, so we will use stat function inside this user login, dollar underscore session and email, dollar password, dollar underscore session password. Okay, dollar what is the name? You can see here, copy this name, copy this login key, and copy and equals to your dollar object. You need to make the object of this class dollar login equals to new login status. So this is the object dollar login, call the function user login, give it ID and email, dollar password. So now if all the credentials given is true, this login key will be true. And now, so here we have not given any security check. You can give here dollar email equals to MySqli real skep string. If you want, you can put this function in your action page where you are going to log in, and dollar this error connection comma dollar email. This function will filter your email and validate. Okay, fine. So here if session is set, so we can get this one, login key is true. Else if session is not set, so what does it mean? There will be some cookie is set $_ cookie, name of the cookie, ID, and so ID, name, email and password. Now take your make your cookies, convert your cookies into session variables. If session variable is not set, convert your cookies into session variable like this. Session ID equals to _replace pattern hash. We are going to allow only 0 to 9, replacement blank, subject $_ cookie ID, $_ session ID. Now name, not name, email, $_ session, cookie, email, and $_ session password. Cookie, password. Login key, $_ login user login and pass the variables $_ session id $_ session email password. So here everything is done, and now our login key is ready, and it is a global variable. You can see here that will tell us it's true or not. Because of this, if return true, then it will be true. Login key. And here we need to write this this login date will tell us about last visit or last login of user. Okay, and we need to put this last date here to SQL query. I forgot, but first we need to check everything is working fine or not. So what we'll need to do here in index.php page, so login status index.php page, instead of keeping this session start and everything, just remove. Okay, if $login_key, so if this login key is true, this if will execute. And here include name of file login_status. This is a file login status and login_key. So if wherever you want, you can display the name of a user by just checking this if condition. If login key is true, then you can move him. Otherwise you can send him any other pages wherever you want. So login.php, just remove, just copy this code and login.php, and index, where is index? Here we have given index, login and profile page. So login status dot php, here is php and dot php, save, and profile login status file is added, login key, login key will be true, then we will in this page. If login key is false, then we'll make it true and send him back to login.php. Save. Now let's see if it's working or not. Refresh. Log out. Okay, one thing I forgot. Yeah, this is the index page. So if a user is already logged in, then he or she will be in profile page. In login.php, if he is logged in, then he will be in profile.php page. Okay, fine, it is fine. If he is not logged in, then he will be in login.php. Save file, save all. Enter the password. Login success. So you can see here everything is same. Hi Mr. Rizwan Khan, your ID is 2, and because of cookies we have these things. And again, if you try to go back like index page, index.php, again we are in profile page. Login page, again we are in profile page. And what's the key feature of this login key? Suppose you have lots of page for the logged in users. Okay, just make the pages, control N, PHP echo. Okay, let's save it. User page dot php, save it. And right here, this page is for logged users only. Logged users only. So what is user underscore page.php? And user page.php. So you can see this page is for log user only. How we can prevent it? And if just include file, include and login underscore status will tell us about the login condition of user. No need to login. And if $login underscore key, you can put this control, and if true, we'll display name here. Suppose echo. Okay. This page is for $. $_ underscore session name. Okay, refresh. You can see this page is for Rizwan Khan only. This page is for Rizwan Khan only. And if we are not logged in, hash logout. Okay, just remove this. Echo clear tag and anchor tag. Ref equals to logout.php, logout. Okay, and pause syntax error. So this page is for Rizwan Khan only. If you logged out, and here is the undefined index in login underscore on line 40. Here. Okay, here's a problem. P reload. Undefined index name. Okay, we need to log out. You can see here when I logged out, so my session variable is destroyed, but my cookie variable is not destroyed here. If I destroy it manually from here, remove, close, refresh, I will be in my index page. So we need to destroy, when we log out, we need to destroy our cookies also. And so you can see everything is perfect. And when we try to visit profile.php user page.php, so you can see this page is for Rizwan Khan only. And after logout, and let me destroy the cookies, remove, you can see automatically it will be in index page. And if someone try to visit user page.php, he will be in page but he can't see anything. Or if you want, where is user page? This one. Just keep this thing in the page, and if she is not logged in, use header and location will be index dot, or might be login index, whatever you want you can put here, login.php, save. Again you are in login page, user page, your login page. And we need to correct the logout. So here is a logout function. We have seen lots of error from cookies. So if you say $session user ID and is set $session name and set $session email and set $session password. So if these are set, so all sessions will be destroyed here and will be in login PHP. And how we can destroy cookies, we have lots of option. Just set cookie and use the same name ID. So these are our cookie ID, and what is the value of this cookie? $. Okay, what we will do here, and else is set if on with something wrong. If is set $_ cookie, name of cookie, ID, and copy this ID, name, email and password. So if cookie is set, here we have destroyed our sessions. So to destroy cookie is set cookie again, and name of the cookie ID, and here in this cookie we have value $_ cookie, and name it $_ cookie, and give it a name. What is the name of cookie? ID, and in this part we have given time, string to time. I will tell you later what we are going to write here. Slash and blank, blank, and true. Copy, paste, paste, paste. ID, uh, ID, name, email, and password. Value, name, email, and password. So to destroy these cookies we have to give a negative time, like -1 day. If I will give negative time, this cookie will automatically destroyed. Doesn't matter if it is for 1 year or for 1 day or for 30 days. Negative 1 day, negative 1 day. So all the cookies are destroyed here, and you can use one more function, like if unset $_cookie ID. Unset is also a PHP function which unset any cookie or any session variables. Name, email, and password. And if you want, you can put session variables too in unset, but it is going to be very big. MSP. File, save all, refresh, email, password, enter, login success. So you can see here, this is a session variable and these are cookies. And if I want to visit user page, I can visit. This page is for Rizwan Khan only. And again, I'm in profile page. If I log out, everything is perfect. So guys, you can see here, when we log in, there is 5 cookies created. In the cookies folder, you can see the 5 cookies. So if I close this tab and again try to go, this is the domain name actually. You can see, consider this. So this is our domain name, localhost and folder directory. This is our domain name. When we visit, so we are directly in our profile page. Okay. And when we log out, so we are in our login page. Again, let me log in and login success, and we are in our profile page. Let's close the entire browser. Okay, we are logged in and we closed our browser. Again, open it, localhost, and this is our domain name. Okay, you can see here undefined index name profile.php on line 16. Profile.php on line 16. Okay, this one. So this variable should come from here, login status. Okay, I got it. Here we forget to create $_session name and $_cookie. Via cookie we can create our name variable. Refresh. So you can see here, hi Mr. Rizwan Khan, your ID is 2 and these are the cookies. Now let's log out. Okay, we are in our profile page, login.php. Login again. Login success. Let's again close the browser. Restart the browser. Localhost, enter your domain. So now everything is perfect, Mr. Zan Khan, and these are the cookie variables. And when we go in another page, user page.php, so this page is for Zan Khan only. Okay, again come back to profile page and logout. Yeah, it's working very fine. And what we need to do, if you will go in your local host, MySqli user information, so you can see here this is our activated account 1, and the sign up date is 2017/2/13. Okay, last login date is also same, so it should be update. This is a login status page. Where is this? Is login status page. This is the update function which is going to update. Okay, one of the most important thing we forgot to write a query MySqli underscore query $this arrow connection comma dollar update login date. Okay, and you can see here last login, and I have written here login date last underscore login. So you can put here, or if there is something wrong in query, you can verify it by this die function. All of this arrow connection, save it. Again refresh. Okay, close the browser. We are in login. Logout. Again login. Close the browser. Restart. See the date. MySqli user information. This is activated, and you can see here this is sign up date 2/13, and this is the last login 3/5, and time is also given 1/2. So till now everything is working fine. Just visit your logout page, and this is the condition. If it set session, so what does it mean? If you close your browser, your session variable is destroyed, but if you close your browser, your cookie will still live. So just if you close your browser, so your session variable is destroyed, this function will not execute. So we need to keep it out of cut from here and paste it here. Okay, so if there is session destroy. If there is cookie will be destroy. Header, location, login.php, save all. Refresh, logout, login. happy it's working. Okay, let me meet you in the next